Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Urban Kiwiana. For those of you who are new, my name's Isaac, and I'm walking around New Zealand. At the moment, we're in Manganuku Hut. It's about 7 k's, I'd say, 7-8 k's into Waiheke Gorge. Meant to be 6.4, but I'm pretty sure it's a bit further because you've got to take the river. It's about saves a 2-hour walk up the river, but it's probably about a 3-4 hour walk up the river. Been here for about 3 days. It's my third day. But, welcome to everyone else. Welcome back. Definitely looks like we're in for a bit of rain today. It's Sunday today. Definitely looks like it might be started raining quite heavy about 4 o'clock. Could like downpour, then it stopped. Is it too drastic? The other people camping down there by the river. Had some breakfast. Really cool night in the old hut. Had a pretty good sleep actually. Had a good sleep last night. Woke up at 4 o'clock, opened the door in case those other two need to come in. But then rain stopped. Now the Southwatch Avenue leaning down. You flattened hit that on your head. Brutal. So the old rain set in now. Rain was forecasted. Look how we got that bit of rain now, so we're gonna glad and leave. There we decided to stick around. This will be a hut day I think today. Check my thing charge. I don't know if it charged very well on it. There we go. Definitely glad I didn't leave. I mean, I was thinking about it too. I was like, oh, should I leave before the rain starts? Man, I would have been like caught up in the river. It would have been horrible. I'm glad this is my gut instead. It's one thing I've learned about the first day is like, listen to my gut. If my gut says stay, then stay. It would have been silly to leave. Got a nice dry hut here, a fireplace, we're dry but warm. We've got supplies, wind suit to the left. Looks like a hut day, got the old fireplace if it gets cold. It's not that cold though. Yeah, that's about it though. Rain. Well, it was an enjoyable book, I just finished reading it. Not too bad at all, a bit of a twist to it. You know, it seems the old Little Lavender was the killer. We called the old Luke's brother. Good story. Hey everyone, so the rain is still, it's 2 o'clock, so I'm going to head out. The river's risen a little bit and the rapids are a bit stronger, so I'm going to head out while I can. If I say like another few days it might be worse. So I still got plenty of daylight, 6 hours daylight. I'm going to walk one out, I swear I reckon. You know, I didn't charge my phone, so I'm going to take you away for a little bit and I'll pick you up. As you get along, we've got about a 4-hour walk, maybe a bit longer. I'll see you along the way. Definitely got to be more careful because it's a lot more rapids now. Just from a day of rain, or a morning of rain. Make our way all the way down there for about 4 hours. It's a lot of crossing back and forth across the river, so it's got to be extra careful. Where is it? There it is. You know, we can't stop, we gotta keep going. Things have changed so fast around here. It's a peaceful river when we came up. 48 hours later, still with the rain, it's already rapiding. You really got to watch your footing. It's down to a bit deeper and the rapids are a little bit stronger. So I've got my knot strapped in, keep my backpack unstrapped. Just crossing where it's safest. Making our way back there. Rapids are definitely more today. If you've got to watch your footing more, I'm not too serious, I'm just like slowly making my way down, so we're on 4 o'clock. But anyway, so I've been able to pull much of this walk back, it's between the raining and the sketchy bits. I can't really stop, I'm encouraged to go one-handed. You know, see you soon. Enjoy the walk as much as I can. It's definitely a lot more, the rapids is definitely more hard going today, you really got to like pick your way across parts. It's easier with 2 hands though, just make it easier. Stop being like up my waist, just make my way like making sure it's like not too deep or anything. Be good. It's fun though. Well, that's a bit loose, but that's fresh. Well, that's a fresh one. Got to be mindful in here that constantly be mindful that it's not the most stable ground, so it slips really easy. Massive old log. So guys, I'm going to put my phone away. It's starting to rain again, so I'm going to put my phone away and pull out when I can. Much love. Hopefully I'm almost at the turn off. Back on the track. The track's going to be just as sketchy, probably worse than this. One last little look before I carry on though. Well, that's going to be a problem later. For some reason my beautiful flies is seeping through. Oh man, that's not good. I hope this new tent is what prevents this one says it is. So that's going to suck. Almost better just to not even have it on, to be honest. Almost better just to take it off. But I need it to fill my stuff into the fly. Sorry I didn't film much today, it's literally been raining non-stop. Got just having some hot soup and some coffee. Not sure what I'll do about that. Not sure what I'll do about that. Man, doesn't seem to matter. There's never enough trees and stuff. You know, my poles are never enough. Hopefully my pole on this side. Anyway. Oh, there's some lunch. Oh, there's some dinner, man. Oh shit. Make some dinner, everyone. Make some dinner and chill out. It's like almost 9 o'clock. I was at the next hut tonight. Tokenui, but Doc decided they wanted to forget to put some markers down and not clear the path. The track's really overgrown. I guess not many people come here. Steaming nice and hot, hell yeah. So yeah, I was hoping to get to the next hut tonight. That's okay. We'll get there tomorrow. Anyway, unfortunately my power thing's blinking. Hasn't been enough sun to get any charge in it. And my phone's charging as much as I can, so I'm going to leave my phone charge up for and turn off and let it charge. Much love. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Ciao. Good night. Thanks for watching. So that was lucky. This thing here just fell on my head. Fell on my neck, I mean. Snapped in half, and like it's a rod piece. Keep them somewhere up there. This trail's sketchy as, can't even see it pretty. Look at that view though. Almost walked right past it. Oh, I can't believe it. We've made it to the next hut.